RPB Linc. Okay, so we're gonna get this in our kit. We're going to paint them today. So where you have the flowers, you can get flowers from your yard, your garden, even on a trail, and you put them in here. And it also comes with this, so you can put it. And it comes with a stencil. And we're going to show you how to do that today, but just I'm not telling you because it's a secret. Okay, Lincoln, back to you.
It comes with paint and a stamper. And yeah.
Okay, let's get on. Let's get it. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Here myself go. Here myself go. And I will get the pot. I kind of.
It's important to cover your surface too.
We have now covered our surface and got everything arranged. And make sure to have something to clean yourself with, and water, and a napkins, and like a plate to cover your thing. And then it's gonna come with this.
I asked my mom to do this for me, and you can pause the video and ask your mom to.
So now I'm gonna put this on. Remind yourself to push it down and like this. And grab this and use this. And then you go like this. And you see? Carefully. Okay, it went right off. So now you put it where you want to put it. And then you go with this again. So yeah. Make sure when you got it done, well, I got it done, but make sure to push it down with no air bubbles. Redo that. So I have got it all pushed down, and now just the most important part is you have to keep it down so it doesn't come up. So you grab some end and then you hold it down and try to get it down. See how it's coming down easily?
So you'll push it down. There you go. So you're removing the clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Looking good.
So now I got this done. Now, so just saying, always to make sure there's no air bubbles. See mine? Mine has no air bubbles. And now it's time to paint! Ta! So let's put them on.
And make sure you paint all your letters on your staple.
And then it's on this one, okay?
Yeah,
Let's go.
it's on that side.
Maybe like a purple. Really focus. Don't let anything distract you. Okay, so you don't have to paint the bottom. You can paint anywhere you want. I'm like you want like a purple vase and like blue letters, and then like a green. Make sure to have wipes and clean your workspace and clean your hand. And we're gonna go bye-bye just for a little bit, well, minute, but to let this dry. Bye!
Bye.
We're back and they're all dry. Now we're gonna peel the stencil. Just saying what the stencil is what you color in, what makes the words. So let's go. You peel it off carefully. Boom! And look how pretty that looks. Okay. On to you, Lincoln.
So you're using one of my tools
Mm-hmm.
that helps, but what other things can other kids use if their mom doesn't have one?
Tweezers. What else? A toothpick, maybe?
Yeah, you could use a toothpick.
Anything what's sharp except for scissors or a knife.
Right.
Anything what's sharp but small.
Yeah, a toothpick is an excellent idea. And Lincoln, you're going to have your mom help you, huh? You're going to have me help
Sometimes
you. So
make
we'll
mom
let
help
you finish that, Ryder, and I'll help Lincoln, and then we'll come back and show the final product.
This is the final result. You ready? This is what yours should look like, but you can... So this is what it should look like, that and that. Just that. But not all the colors. Just, you should have this.
The words.
The word.
Yeah, because they can
Color.
choose whatever colors they want.
Mm-hmm. And, wait, does this come... Did I have to put this on,
No.
or does it come...
It comes with it.
Okay.
Lincoln, let's see yours. I love it. Hey, awesome.
Thanks for being with us. Subscribe to my mom and leave a like. Ring, ling, ding. And bye.